Initially, I feel nervous because we had a very fluent talk from them knowing Hindi and I'm not speaking Indian. My communication language is English, so I confine my speech in English. If any doubts are there, you can ask me in Hindi or in English. Of course, I don't want to murder the Hindi, so I confine my speech in Hindi. So, respected important VIP persons on the dais and off the dais. The first, the Nagulino, when we refer India we call it a land of spices. Probably this area is an exception. So now I request all the participants to extend your hands and even the local leaders so that this will also be part of land of spices. See, the spices means normally we take king of spice, pepper, black pepper, queen of spice, elachi, then prince of the spice, vanilla. Except that these three, then we have the kesar, and then one more spice, star anise. There are 63 spices. Except these five, rest all can be cultivated. That is the potential. But only thing, we have not made a concentrated effort. So, आपने बताया long back you brought pepper plants and you distribute. When we can grow on piper beetle, that's the Latin name of the palm, big leaves, is piper beetle. This is black pepper, is piper nigra, very close related. So in addition to that, there are two very important medicinal plants like piper chaba. Normally they call it pipli. In all the Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddha, and all your toothpaste preparations, they use that pipli. Then one more, normally it's a weed that is piper longa. That is again referred as large pepper. That is also used in all the Ayurvedic preparation, including the toothpaste what you daily use. So that all the Ayurvedic preparations and all the Ayurvedic medicine which directly to all the respiratory problems we address now. That's all they use. All that can be cultivated. Then we have forgotten. So if you visit some of the areas in Andhra, then Odisha, then Bengal, then the adjacent part of Karnataka, Chile, that's the one. And then we have the haldi, we have the adrak. All those things they can be very successfully cultivated. Then we have annual herbal spices which directly be used in all the star hotels. These are all the off-season. Within short time we can grow and we have the market, it can go to all the hotels, herbal spices. Then we have the grain spices, cumin, coriander, then all soft like that, methi. So all they can also be cultivated. But today we'll try to understand few aspects of black pepper so that, and then we also have a plan to have one integrated. It's not just spice, including vegetables. Some of the fruit crops like river husbandry, another branch. Then even pisciculture, they having the fish. All that will include in about 10 acres of this area. We will devote for that whole farm approach in which the spices will be important part. Besides, all trees will not leave it. We will try to, whatever we speak, no, the oxygen factory. So every tree, when we have a climber on that it becomes an oxygen factory. Because for all the vegetative, they got including the climber, pepper plant, so they will become the mini oxygen factories. So that also we will keep in our mind. When Mujahid Sahib, when he contacted, I had my own apprehension because earlier I stayed when we joined the service in Nagpur. We were there in the MLA hostel for 4 days. Then all this area, we took the Western India for our tour. So it was very hot at the time. But then during my the service, 32 years, then after retirement about 13 years, I have been with the growers. Growers are my strength. All the self-help groups, they have been now probably more than 2 lakh hectares of coffee, tea, and then including rubber, then arecanut, coconut. It's all, we have the one network where through WhatsApp, through self-help groups, we directly correspond. Any suggestion, any improvement, it goes automatically to all the them. Sometimes, they may not be knowing who has given the message, but message will reach all the people. So we were discussing actually the morning, some of the things. A person by birth or by wealth he will not become important. You by position he will not become important. But the way so many people, very rich, all crorepati's, all millions, all perished. But the knowledge of some the people, when it passes through the cycle, it will be. Through that knowledge, the person will be remembered. So here, we should not allow any knowledge to lapse. It should always be circulated. All positive things, not the negative things. We give more importance to the negative things. But the positive things, whatever the good experience is there, that all passed. And we are discussing with an important friend now. Already he has started about 15 acres Australian pig with pepper and the adjacent Basta area. So now they are making it as a medicinal herb. And right now we are discussing all high volume, low value crops. But spices are low volume but high value crops. And then they can be stored, and with our market intelligence, in where when we get a better price, we can take it to the market. So kindly concentrate on this. Now we speak a lot of things, doubling farmers' income and all that. It is there since centuries. If you go to some Malnad, the area, we don't depend upon one particular crop. If you go to an arecanut plantation, we have coconut all around, we have the jafal, jaggery, both will come, arecanut is there, banana is there, cocoa is there, and then all the trees we have planted pepper. But we have some problem. The diseases and all that. But with our common sense and the continuous effort of growers, we are able to get it. And then sometimes the supari, arecanut will take care of entire the expenditure. Sometimes the elachi will look after. Sometimes the pepper will look after. And we have, normally we take essence. So Vietnam they are growing like this. In Indonesia they are growing like this. In Brazil we are growing like this. All those stories we can create right in our form. So now we have to take some examples like Israel. It was a desert. Then now there is a total transformation. From the desalinated water, now they have the agriculture. They have established that network. But here, how much much rain we get, how much liters of water, million liters of water we allow to go waste in the thing. So every boon, every drop of water, if we conserve it, so that gives us the power so that we can create that whatever the important modifications in our rate, in our farm. See now, nature has given the three important gifts to us: good soil, then sun, and the rain. But if you use them with our intelligence and sustained effort, we can create any, need not be a Vietnam, need not be a Brazil, all in our right in our area. So, actually we are discussing that out of 365 days of the total climate year, probably we may experience 45 to 50 days of adverse days here. So all that we can manage through irrigation, Sinchai, and then even with intensifying by the spacing, by having the crop barrier, or with rain gun during very hot weather conditions, we can alter that minimum micro level. We can alter. With that, we can change our crop pattern. So, keeping that in view here, because now we heard a good presentation, discussion with a success story. Now it's only a plan now, but after 2 years, with 1 year, we will show the annual, the short-term prices here. By second year, we will show you success story paper. By third year, we will show the sustained the pepper production in this area itself. The first step probably in that I request the interested growers to make a small group and bring their supervisor and actual workers to some area in the Karnataka adjacent Belgaum, then also in the Chitradurga Davangere, where they experience high temperature of more than 43 degrees centigrade. But there itself we have pepper with arecanut, coconut, jackfruit and all that you can see. And then we can also experience how to train, how to maintain, how to harvest, all those aspects. But here, initially, we will bring about 5 varieties and try on the one important mahogany here. And then simultaneously, we want to have a almost a short duration system with moringa, then also that sesbania, that 3 things. And simultaneously all the trees, whatever we have here, maybe mango or even jack, that also we try to plant with the black pepper. And then there is not much of confusion. Palekar always is giving you knowledge here. But in pepper growing, at least 70% of his recommendations will be given. What is that? It means zero farming, no digging, in situ composting, then all that will do. But only one aspect we will try to avoid is we don't want earthworms on the pepper basin. Because once we have the earthworm, all adjacent area, wild boars, they will come. For them it is noodles, all earthworms. So in that process, they damage the root system. Maybe 2 or 3 months itself, we will start losing it. So except encouraging Satyua, that earthworm, will do all the other.
Fencing will solve that problem. Fencing, if it is a well-fenced.
No, he is talking about earthworm. गांडूल ची बोलताय.
नहीं, डुक्कर येऊन काढतात म्हणतात.
Okay, so that is because that is the all the pepper adjacent to the forest we are losing. Mainly because once they go for high organic fertilizer and use it to composting or whatever you Jivamrita with organics, integrated farming, all that. But no disease, but the plants we are losing, mainly because of the wild. Wild. So that one aspect, one precaution we have to take, because it is adjacent to the forest. Respected growers, we don't want to use you as an experimental thing. But if you visit, you will gain the confidence. No, we should not become, we take the 3 monkeys as a model. Buramat, Dekho Buramat, Kaho Buramat, Suno. But that doesn't mean we have to listen all good things, all good the examples we have to see, and whatever the good things are there, that we have to follow. But we should not stop with that. We have to continue with our sustained effort. In Karnataka, we have many non-traditional areas. They also have the apprehension. In some area, in 1 year, we had hardly 9 inches of rain. In another area, we had only 3 inches of rain. In another area, we had only 23. 23, 9, 3. In spite of all that, we could get a record crop of pepper in that area, mainly because we had the support of irrigation. All night, all the water, whatever it is there, we never allowed it to waste. It was collected, recycled back. So that even such a driest, adverse climate also, we were able to maintain the pepper plantation in one of the year. In fact, there was a devoted 2 tankers to save the both arecanut and pepper. 1 year actually we have struggled. In the year where we got the only 3-inch rain, we struggled with the tanker, the irrigated. But now it is a very successful plot, and we got the International Pepper Committee Award also, that particular plot, and also, and highest the award given to a grower is Babu Jagajeevan Ram Award. That also was given to a pepper grower, where the water rainfall is very minimum in that area. Now, of course, this last few years we got a very good rain in that area. Friends, first I told you that we don't want to use you as a experimental material, but don't close your eyes, open that with very positive note. And usually you start with haldi, then adrak, then also have cashew. In this, wherever you see the good mango, cashew can come up very nicely because they are all of the same family. And then one more thing is, I don't know whether anybody has tried lychee in this area, Vidarbha area. Lychee.
Yes, some have.
So this climate will definitely support the lychee. So that is one where with minimum effort we can get a maximum the crop lychee. Right now we depend mostly on the orange, the sweet lime and the mango. But that is one crop we can with confidence we can introduce. And then there is no hesitation from the consumers for the cashew. Now, cashew means you may think, this area where it will not come out. But there are selections which will suit to this climate. So instead of one variety, we will introduce 5 to 6 varieties. The one which comes up nicely is the same. That all that we know, the result we think 4 to 5 years. That which one comes, but definitely it will be a very good experiment to this cash. So with that, I think I will wind up.
Rice,
Sorry.
paddy.
Paddy, some area is there, but along the bund, we can definitely we can introduce cinnamon. That is take Darchini and also Tejpat. Tejpat probably when you visited the northeast, you might have come across. Tejpat. Very neglected. Tejpat. The most neglected condition it will come up. So we have that similar cinnamon species in the near forest area, so it can come up. So there no input is required, but cinnamon of course some effort is required. But for cinnamon, now there will be a ready market. Nowadays all the herbal toothpaste preparations, more than 70% they use the cinnamon, Darchini, not the clove. Most of it is only Darchini. So there will be ready takers for that. And even if they don't take also, it is one material which is in every household culture. It is contained. Then one more aspect, spice, we will try to introduce in this area is that Jaipal.
Jaifal.
Jaipal, Javitri, they are the two spices produced by the same plant. So that also little hardy. But normally their male plant is different and female plant is different. But some area, right from Mannar, Vanangar up to Vengurla, that particular Konkan belt, they have the monoecious. Monoecious means in the same tree we have both male and female flowers, but it is gynomonoecious, means that female flowers are more and male flowers are less. So if you plant them, definitely with a taproot system. Normally with the grafted ones will have only the fibrous root system. Mother root is not there. But when you plant a seedling, that mother the taproot is there, so it will support the tree better. So we will get the seedling from that area, and we can also introduce of course it starts seeding only after 5-6 years. The result will know it will late one. But in the same climate, similar climate, I have seen successful production of Jafar. So that also can be a good candidate for this area. And then rest all, whatever the cultivation practice, how to manage and all that. So now it's only we have to assume, but probably after 1 or 2 years, with authentically we will be able to guide you maybe after 2 years. So it takes 2 to 3 years for the growth and the production of the black pepper. But I have, after going through all this in similar area, definitely we can have the black pepper. Already time we have taken when the Ranjit Samak, and there are some more this they have to express their views. So I will stop at this level. So thanks for the attention. Mujafar Sahab has told a lot of kind things, good things. It's very happy to hear. But all that happiness is given by growers. Because the last 38 years, all our success stories across now we have taken it to almost 14 states, the black pepper cultivation in India. It's the growers and the self-help groups we have supported. Even tribal area adjacent to Meghalaya, it was we could see a success. But it is the input is all by the grow, yes. So I also want Vidarbha region to join that group. Thank you.